See, this was very easy. Sunita did not have to discuss this with me. She did one better. She sent me 2 sketches. One with a jumpsuit and the sari draped. The other with a dress, sari draped. And I was like, really? We're doing sari like this? This is exciting because, I'm a big fan of saris. I am talking about the traditional saris. It is what drapes a woman and embraces her power of suggestion. Nothing sexier, I believe. But they're so right that as time changes and newer generations of younger people come into being where they like to explore, understand, innovate, be different, be unique, then they must have that choice. And it should not be conforming to any particular fashion statement or look. That should define how you feel and who you are. So it was beautiful for them to give me this opportunity to walk for something that is actually far more than just a fashion show for Lakme Fashion Week. It represents sustainable fashion, which is in so many ways a celebration of what human impact can do to your environment and to your social responsibility, both of which I have deep respect for. So I am deeply thankful to all of you for thinking of me, and I'm so glad my mom, who got discharged from the hospital just today, has come all this way, and she did not have to pull the dress from under my heel this time, and it went off very smoothly. Thank you to the entire team.
तो दोस्तों, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें, साथ ही चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करें।